Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about model test class 8 mathematics, that is pre-board mathematics exam 2022 and 23. So in this portion we have already talked about 1 marks question and case study questions. So today we are going to talk about 2 marks question, that is part B. So case study we have already completed. So if you want to see this video, you can see the description link, or in description link already link is available for 1 marks question and case study question. So today we are going to deal with 2 marks questions. So here you can see part B is and section 3 is 2 marks questions. So we are having 9 questions of 2 marks question, and we will get 3 choices. In 3 question we have to get choices. So now see, first question of 2 marks question is question number 13. Find the value of cube root 216 into minus 125. So how we will solve it? So many students are confused. Here I am going to explain how to solve it. So our question number 13 is find the cube root of 216 into minus 125. So simply what we will do, most of the students are aware about this. 216 is cube of 6 and 125 is cube of 5. If you will not aware about this, simply you have to do this. You have to find the prime factors, you will get the solution. In 2 time it will be 108, again in 2 time it will be 54, again 2 time it will be 27, in 3 time it will be 9, and again 3 time it will be 3, in 3 time it will be 1. Similarly 125 you can also do the prime factors. You will get 5 25 time, again 5 it will be 5 time, and in next 5 it will be on time. So if you will know aware about this, 216 is the cube of 6 and 125 is the cube of 5, then directly we will write. Otherwise you have to find out the prime factors and you have to write it. So what you will write here? Here you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is cube of 216. Then minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. This is cube of 125. Now we have to make the triplets. So this is first triplet of 2, this is triplets of 3, and this is triplets of 5. So we already know that if we will find out cube root, triplets will be taken outside when triplet completed. So what will be our solution? It will be 2 into 3 into minus 5. So finally we will get minus 30. So minus 30 is our solution of cube root of 216 into 125. Now moving to next question. Our next question is, this is also same question, or evaluate cube root of 0.512 upon 0.343. So what we will do, first of all I am writing here question. Question is given, evaluate cube root of 0.512 upon 0.343. So I think most of the students are aware about 512 is cube of 8 and 343 is cube of 7. So if you will feel difficulty, just you have to remove the decimal. So what we will do, we will write 3, we will write 512 upon, since after decimal we are having 3 digit, you have to write 1 and 3 times 0. Similarly you have to do with 343 also, 343, and after decimal 3 digits are there, we can write 1000. In next step we will write cube root of 512 upon 1000. As we all know that if division will be changed in multiplication, so fraction will be reversed or inversed. It will come 1000 upon 343. This is very simple method. If you want to remove the decimal, then after you want to solve it, then it will be very easy. Otherwise you can use other methods. So 1000 and 1000 is cancelled. So what is left? Finally we have left cube root of 512 upon 343. Now you can write, because you already know 512 is cube of 8. Otherwise you have to do the prime factorization, you will get the factors. So it will be 8 into 8 into 8, and this one will be 7 into 7 into 7. So triplets are completed, so it will come 8 upon 7. So this is our solution. Moving to next question. Our next question is question number 14. In question number 14, what is given? Solve the exponential equation 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 upon 81. So remember that question, if exponent and radicals question are asked, so in exponent, first of all you have to write the question and try to solve how to solve it. So simply always you have to make the base same and base equal. So question is given 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 upon 81. In solution, first of all what we will do, we will take 81 on numerator. So I think you all know 1 upon x is also written as x to the power minus m. This is our exponential identity. So we can use here. So what we can write? 3 to the power 4x is equal to 81 to the power minus 1. We can write simply, we can write, or we can write simply. If you want to solve it without any problem, so we can write 1 upon 3 to the power 4, and then after you have to take 3 to the power 4 in numerator. So in next step what we will write? 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power minus 4. Now see, bases are equal, so power will be equated. So here we will write by equating the power. By equating the power, so what we will get? When we are going to equate the power, we can write 4x is equal to minus 4, because this is 4x and this one is minus 4. Bases are already same, so power we are going to equate. Then after we will take this 4 in RHS, so x is equal to minus 4 upon 4, and 4 cancelled. Finally we will get x is equal to minus 1. So this is our solution. How to find out the value of x when it is given 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 upon 81. Now moving to next question. Our next question is related to compound interest. Question is given, the population of a town is increasing at a rate of 8%. That means R is 8% per annum. Per year it is 8%. Then population of town after 2 years. So time is 2 years and present population is 12,500. So what we will write? Here we will write first of all, in CI form if you want to write, our present population will be P 12,500. Rate of increase in population is our rate per annum, and time is already given 2 years. So question is given after 2 years, what will be the population of town? So what we will do, we will find the amount. If you will know, if question is given in present population is 12,500, 8% per annum it is increasing, and after 2 years what will be the population? So simply we have to use the formula of CI, that is amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T. You will get the population after 2 years. So here we will write 12,500 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole to the power 2. Next step we will write, see 8 and 100 will be cancelled with 4. 4 to the 8 and 25 for the 100. So 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole to the power 2. Finally what we will get? We will get 12,500 into 27 upon 25 whole to the power 2. When you will take LCM, you will get 25 plus 2 upon 25, 27 by 2. So here you will write 12,500 into 27 upon 25, again 27 upon 25. Because power is 2, so we have to write in multiplication form 2 times. Now it will be cancelled with 25. So 12,500 will be cancelled with 25 in 500 times, and 500 will be cancelled with 25 in 20 times. So finally what is left? 20 into 27 into 27. Which one will come? Finally when you will multiply it, answer will be 14,580. So after 2 years population of the town will be 14,580. So this is solution of question number 15. I hope you all will aware about this. If present population is given, that means we can take P, rate of increase is given, we can take rate, and time is given, we can take time. And simply you have to apply the formula of amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate by 100 whole to the power time. Now moving to next question. Our next question is related to polynomials. Divide 6x cube minus 5x square minus 13x plus 12 by x minus 1. So here I am going to write the question. 6x cube minus 5x square minus 13x plus 12 minus 13x plus 12 divided by x minus 1. So here I am writing divided by x minus 1. Now we will see long division method. Most of the students know how to solve it, but they don't know how to solve the given polynomial by binomial. They are very confused about this, how to take. So there is very simple concept. Always you have to try to solve the first term only. When you will try to solve first term, you will get the correct solution. So when we are going to try, so we are having x to the power 1, but we need 6 x to the power 3. So we can multiply with 6, we will get 6x, but we need 6x to the power 3. So we will multiply with 6x to the power 2. So in rough work, always you have to check it this portion. You have taken quotient at 6x square and we are having divisor as x minus 1. Multiply 6x square into x minus 1, because most of the students are not able to write the correct multiplication. They are just multiplying with a x and they have left the minus 1. So what will come? 6x square into x, it will come 6x cube, and 6x square into minus 1, it will come minus 6x square. So finally what we have got? We have got 6x cube minus 6x square. Now we are going to subtract, so sign will be changed. This one is plus, so it will minus, and this one is minus, then it will be plus. When you are going to subtract the polynomial or any term, its sign will be just opposite of the given sign. So this portion is cancelled. Now what is left? 6x square minus 5x square, it will be 1x square, and other remaining terms you have to write just below. So it will come minus x square minus 13x plus 12. Now in next step, now we will decide. We are having x, but we need x square, so we have to take plus x. When you will multiply with x, so here you will do the rough work. Multiply x with x minus 1. So x into x, x square, and x into minus 1, it is minus x. So what it will come? X square minus x. Now change the sign. This one is plus, it will be minus, and this minus will be plus. X square cancelled. Now x minus 13x, it will be minus 12x, and this one is plus 12. Now we are having x and our first term is minus 12. So we have to take quotient as minus 12 and do the rough work. Always you have to do the rough work. So we have to take minus 12 into x minus 1. So after multiplication it will come minus 12x plus 12. So it will come minus 12x plus 12. Now we are going to subtract, so side will be changed. Now see, plus minus and plus minus cancelled. Finally we have got the remainder 0. See, in this portion most of the students are confused about this binomial. They are not multiplying the quotient with both the terms. They are multiplying with only single terms. So remember that always you have to solve the first term, other terms will be automatic solved. So our quotient is 6x square plus x minus 12 and remainder is 0. So this is our solution. Moving to next question. Our next question is given using factor theorem or factor method, divide x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. So simply here you have to write x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. Now I am writing the question. Our question is x square plus 3x plus 2 divided by x plus 1. See, in this question if you will see x square plus 3x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 and method is given using factor method. So we have to use the correct method, don't use other methods. So here I am going to solve it by factor method. Always you have to use the splitting the middle term concept. So what it will come, we can write x square plus 3x will be splitted in two parts, 2x plus x, it will be 3x and plus 2 divided by x plus 2. That means numerator you have to use splitting the middle term method. In denominator it is already splitted, no need to split. So finally take common in first two term. So x is common. So x into x, x square plus 2 into x, 2x. When first bracket came, directly you have to write in second bracket again you have to write x plus 2. Now see the next two terms. So with x we are having only 1, so we can write plus 1 and x plus 2 you have to write in denominator. In next term what we will write, in next step we will write x plus 2 as common. So finally what it will be written, this x and this 1 will be in next bracket, x plus 1, and below side it is already x plus 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancelled. Finally we will get x plus 1 as factor by factor method. Now moving to next question. Next question is given the sum of two positive integer is 105. Remember that sum of two positive integer is 105 and the integers are already given in ratio. So how to solve this question? We have to take ratio. If ratio is given, always remember that if ratio is given, that means you have to take with variable. So here you will write let first integer is 2x and second integer is what is given, ratio, according to ratio 3. So we can write 3x. Now according to question what is given, sum of two positive integers is equal to 105. So here it is given sum of two integers. Sum of two integers is equal to 105. So in place of first integer, second integer, we have already 2x and 3x. So we can write 2x plus 3x is equal to 105. So it will come 5x is equal to 105. So x is equal to, it will come 105 divided by 5, cancel with 21. So finally we will get x is equal to 21. Therefore we will find out integers. So first integer we will find. So first integer is 2x, that is 2 into 21, that is 42. And second integer we have taken second integer. So second integer we have taken 3x. So we will write 3x. 3 into 21, it will be 63. So our final answer will be, first integer is 42, second integer is 63. So simply always you have to follow the question what is given. First integer will take 2x because ratio is given, and second integer will take 3x. So whenever integers or anything is given in ratio, always you have to take with variable. Now moving to next question. Our next question is related to parallel and transversal. To see the question, L and M is given parallel line and T is a transversal line. So I hope you all know the properties of transversal and parallel lines. So what we will do first, there is no any relation between these angles. So what we will do, we will take vertically opposite angle. So this angle will be 45 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Then after you already know sum of interior angle of same side of transversal is 180 degree, and you will get the solution. We are having different method, but we have to use this method. This one is very easy. So what we will write in solution, if we are having question like this, we have to solve like this. See, this one is our lines, line L and line M both are parallel, and this one is transversal T, and this angle is given 5x plus 35 degree, and this angle is given 45 degree. So we will write here vertically opposite angles are equal. So we will write, since L parallel to M and T is a transversal. Remember that if it is given in question, also you will write the solution like this. First of all, you have to explain which lines are parallel and which is transversal. Then after, you already know that interior angle of same side of transversal is 180 degree. So here we will write, we know that interior angle of same sides, or you have to write sum of interior angles of same side of the transversal is supplementary, or we can write 180 degree. So now what we can write? Now we can write 5x plus 35 plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. So here we will use and we will get the solution. So here I am writing, now 5x plus 35 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what it will come, 5x plus 35 plus 45 is 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 5x is equal to, we will get 100 degree, and when you will take 5 in RHS, we will get x is equal to 100 degree upon 5, cancel with 20. So finally we will get x is equal to 20 degree. Remember that question is given for what value of x L parallel to M. So we can find the value by using the transversal and parallel lines concept, and we have to find out the value of x. X is equal to 20 degree will be the answer. Now moving to next question, question number 19. So in question number 19, we are having a question of surface area and volume that is related to mensuration. So in mensuration, what is given? A cuboid of dimension 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter is given. And question is given, how many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid. So this question is related to volume. See which type of question is given. Generally we are having a cuboid. For example, see this one is our cuboid. And question is given, length, breadth, height, all things are available. It is already given in question. So what is given in question? See 60, 54 and 30. So let this one is 60 and this one is 54 and this one is 30. All three dimensions are given. Question is given, if you want to put cube or place cube inside the cuboid whose dimension are, for example, see this one is cube. Now I am putting here, see this one is cube whose length, that means sides, are of 6 centimeter. So how many cube will be kept inside the cuboid? So in this type of question, what we will do, how to solve, we have to write in solution. In solution, simply you have to write number of cube kept inside, or whatever it will be given, number of cube placed inside, kept or placed we can write kept inside is equal to, simply you have to write volume of cuboid divided by volume of a cube. Because cube is small, so simply you have to divide the large volume by small volume. So what it will come? 60 into 54 into 30 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. I think you all know volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is side into side into side. So it is very easy. Simply you have to solve it, and don't multiply it, just you have to cancel it, you will get the solution. See 60 will be cancelled with 6 in 10 times, 54 will be cancelled in 9 times, and 30 will be cancelled in 5 times. So what it will come finally? 10 into 9 into 5. So it will come 10 into 9 into 5, that is 450 cubes can be placed inside the cuboid. So this is very simple question. Now moving to next question, that is given, verify Euler's formula for a polyhedron having 10 faces, 20 edges and 12 vertices. So first of all we have to write what is given. It is given f is equal to 10, that is 10 faces, vertices and edges, always it will be given in the question. So faces is 10, edges is 20, so edges is 20 and vertices is 12. And we are having Euler's formula, as you all know that Euler's formula, it is f plus v minus e is equal to 2, or you can say f plus v is equal to e plus 2. So either you have to use this one or this one, and you have to verify it. So here you will write in solution f plus v minus e is equal to. So here you will finding, if it will come 2, then it will be verified. So it will be 2. Now we are going to put the value. F is 10, we will write 10. V is 12, we will write 12. E is 20, we will write 20 is equal to 2 or not. So here you will see the LHS and RHS. So it will come 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. So that is 2 is equal to 2. That means LHS is equal to RHS. That is verified. So this is very simple. You have to put the value of face, vertices and edges, and if answer will come LHS is equal to RHS, then it will be verified or justified. Now moving to next question, this is related to statistics. So question is given, daily wages are given, daily wages of 15 workers in a factory, and question is given, prepare a frequency distribution table. So this is ungrouped data. Simply you have to either you have to make it a grouped data or you have to simply solve the question. So we are having frequency distribution table. So for frequency distribution table, simply you have to do one thing. You have to draw a table. In frequency distribution table, what is required? Remember that three things are always required. First one, we have to take wages in rupees. So here you will write wages. In second, always you have to take tally marks. So most of the students are not writing tally mark here. And in third, we have to write frequency. That means which wages will come how many times. So in third one, you have to write frequency. Now see how many types of data is given. 150 is given, 200 is given, 250 is given, 300 is given, and 350 is given. So he will write, here we will write 150, 200, 250, 300 and 350, and at last you have to write total. So now we have to check it. 150 comes how many times? So this is 150, one time, two time, three time. So 150 comes three time. So here we will write in frequency 3. Now check the 200. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time. So 200 came 5 times. Now we will check 250. So 250 comes, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 250 came 4 times. So we can write 4. Now we will check 300. So 300 came 1, this is 1 and this one is 2. So 2 times, and 350 came 1 time. So total we can also check it is 15 or not. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So total, basically students commit mistake when they are preparing tally marks. So now see, we are having 3, so we will draw 3 lines. For 5, you all know 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to cut diagonally, it will be 5. Most of the students are committing mistake in drawing the tally marks. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2 and this is 1. So this is frequency distribution table of the given data. Now moving to next question. In next question it is given, write the order and angle of rotational symmetry of a square. So remember that order and angle of rotational symmetry of a square, if you want to write, so what you will do, first of all see what is a square. So in a square all sides are equal, I think you all know. So this is a regular polygon. This is regular polygon having 4 sides or 4 equal sides. So what you will do, simply you have to find out angle of rotation. For angle of rotation, what you will do, faces are 4. So definitely we have to divide complete 360 degree divided by 4, we will get 90 degree. That means when you will rotate on 90 degree, we will not get any changes. Actually rotational symmetry explained that we have to rotate the diagram either clockwise or anti-clockwise, but diagram will not be changed, diagram will be the same. Now when you will find out order of rotation, just you have to divide 360 degree by angle of rotation, that is 90 degree, you will get 4. So order will be 4 and angle of rotation will be 90 degree. With diagram, if you want to check it, simply you have to do one thing, we have to draw a square first and fix a point. For example, now I am writing here, this is A. So when you will rotate it on 90 degree, so this diagram will be same, but A will be moved to this place. when you will rotate with 90 degrees. See here I am putting the midpoint. So when you will rotate, this A will be on this place. Again when I will rotate on 90 degree, this diagram will be same, no changes, but A will be moved to this place. So this is first rotation, this is second rotation. Now again till the end of the same diagram or same shape we will rotate. Again we will rotate, so we will get the same diagram, but A will be moved to this place on 90 degree rotation. Again we will rotate, this is third time. So again when we will rotate, this A will be on the same place as well beginning. So what is rotation? This rotation is clockwise rotation, and 90 degree rotation, that is angle of rotation is 90 degree. The shape will not be changed, only place of A will be changed, shape will be the same. So order of rotation is 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you have to use the formula or simply you have to show by using the diagram. And angle of rotation, simply you have to divide with sides, we will get the solution of angle of rotation. If diagram is regular polygon, in irregular polygon we will not decide by this formula. So we have to use the rotational symmetry. If you will like this video is very helpful for you when you are going to prepare the question. So please like, share and subscribe the channel. And for this type of educational video, you have to visit the description. In description, so many videos links are available. You can visit the description, you will get the link. We have to just click it, you will get the videos, and videos are helpful for you.